of rapscallions. If you're at home and you're not currently alt-tabbed and masturbating, please give it up for them. It's Stacy Pawlowski, Nick Pure, and Liv Shircel, everybody.
It still sounds like applause.
Yeah, I guess you're right. A fap is a clap with your dick.
That did not make it better.
No.
That's a good thing that we should say more.
No, just let it
Welcome to
die. I'm your Dungeon Master for the night, Dave. I am not sorry about anything I have said or will say because I have no self-respect. On the keys just underneath me here, you might see him. His head placed gingerly in a jar is our lovely bard, Brian.
With brown hair.
Bard, yes, with brown hair.
Gingerly, but with...
You know, they did that to Idris Elba cat, too.
Put his head in a jar?
No, they said he was a ginger cat, but he was clearly a brown cat.
If you're just
Because he
tuning
was
in,
black, so he had to be brown.
if you're just tuning in, Nick has seen the movie Cats, and he can't fucking keep it to himself for 5 fucking seconds.
He said Idris Elba though, and I was like, all right. I'm
in for this guy
fact.
for sure.
I'm okay with.
Anyway, with us tonight, on top from the typical crew, is a very fantastic guest. One more time, give a nice round of fabs for our boy Pat Guinet.
Let's hear those faps.
Yeah, if you hear, it's like the ocean. You can hear the ocean and the fabs.
It's nice.
It's
wet.
Made a little
Yeah,
wet.
well,
It's nice.
but they are both oddly moist.
Some moist, very moist skin slapping against each other.
Gross. So I have not necessarily made an exact decision for tonight's adventure. Be a group of tag team friends. You guys are all buddies who used to work at this Blockbuster. Let's say 5 years ago, in a hot, sweltering Sandusky summer, when the Sandusky basketball team, whose name must never be mentioned, because we definitely know it, had a really good year that year. And everybody wanted to rent Hoosiers. Hoosiers. So, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, if you are listening, well done. It's just a minimum, just a floor of participation.
Well, there were a few suggestions there.
No, I'm saying these guys are doing great. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
High school double date is awesome. We can work all these in.
Local heroin hangout.
I actually was thinking about a local heroin hangout.
Just train spotting.
Let's get into this Blockbuster and do drugs and watch Train Spotting.
Too real.
Yeah. So feel free at any point now, if you guys want, because we're just gonna talk a little bit. Figure out a reason and get a reason from the chat of why your character is unique. Right? So, for instance, we're all gonna be buddies. You guys are all part of the Rewinders, right? But feel free to discern yourselves within the Rewinders, so we're not all 4 gray PC type characters. I don't know, I'm a hero. I don't know, I'm a hero too.
Okay, I got something.
Okay, cool.
So first off, give me a name. Secondly, my person refused to rent a particular movie to anyone.
Ooh, that's good.
What movie is that?
I like that.
This is early 90s?
Yeah, early
Sure.
90s.
It's whatever year it fucking needs
Refused
to be.
to rent one particular movie to anybody. Like he would destock the movie. He would just like refuse to let that movie cross the shelf.
We're out.
Yeah, yeah.
It's that movie with Tom Cruise where he goes, "Show me the money." That one.
Multi-level marketing. Okay, that's good. When have you gotten real into multi-level marketing and you think essential oils cure everything? That's good. Raise your hand if you
knows
know
this person.
7 people like that right now.
And they know 7 people,
Yeah.
and they know 7
Wait a
people.
second.
And if they all give me money, they'll be rich.
Yeah.
You can make your own hours. It's not a joke.
I love it. Anytime a job has ever said that to me, it's just like, I can smell the bullshit.
Wouldn't you like to make $20,000 a month from home?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, I do.
I see that all the time.
Too bad you have to
online.
spend
It's like
$200,000
Bermuda
to
stuff.
get in there.
Pretty Woman. Awesome.
Yes.
I refuse to let
Pretty
Pretty
Woman.
We think about a name, a good
Yeah.
name you should have. Maybe the name of a famous person. You're sick of being associated with them
Oh.
because of that movie.
Yeah. Yeah, you're Richard Gere just before the Mothman prophecies. I gotta shoot the next couple days, but I just had to come back to the old store.
Oh, I was just thinking that he was Richard
So we're
Gere.
still
Well,
Gere movie.
Smrelf?
ASMR Elf.
ASMR Elf. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, we don't have an A on our
I-
sheet.
Yeah. Well, you missed a comprehensive review of the movie Cats.
Oh.
No, we're not gonna do that
Let's
again.
take from the top.
More importantly, we are in a Blockbuster video in an abandoned Blockbuster video in Sandusky, Ohio in the 90s, 5 years after it closed, and we're finding out about our characters.
Right, we're learning a little bit about our characters, so feel free.
Gear.
I cannot
Richie
think of
Gere.
anyone's name. I cannot think of anyone's name.
Right.
Anyone's name?
Richie Gere.
But the
Richie
woman
Gere.
from Pretty Woman.
Julia
Roberts.
Oh my god, I kept wanting to say Sarah Jessica Parker. I'm like, no, that's someone else. Okay.
Or-
Need to be free.
You gotta take these bracelets off, man.
What?
Yeah, take the bracelets off.
Oh damn.
And they'll attach to you and you'll be a genie, which isn't that bad.
I mean, I'll do it.
You would do that?
Yeah, my life is kind of in shambles.
That does it, no problem. Fix those bracelets off.
These are fly as shit.
Phenomenal cosmic
Pat's legs disappear and they become a weird squiggle.
Oh my god, guys. I just
Pat,
lost
no!
50 pounds in legs.
Pat is blown away by the infinitesimal power contained within her now. Him or her, I guess. We never really established that.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm like blown away. You don't even get it.
Everyone's a little scared, so they let Pat finish.
Oh, that was it.
Oh. So can you, Pat, can you help us get it? I mean,
Can we make wishes now from you?
I mean, I guess, try it.
I don't want to be your slave.
You want to be my slave?
Maybe, but that's not what I said.
What did you say?
Don't.
So I don't want to be your slave.
Oh, well, you didn't say wish, so you're good. You're not my slave.
I wish I had more heroin. That old guy comes back again. He becomes heroin. He becomes a huge pile of heroin. And everyone...
Your wish is my
And
command.
everyone jumps in the big pile of heroin that used to be a man.
Yay! Hey, look, it's more of this stuff.
That's such a good way to play it. Someone who's pretending to be Shazam comes back out of the break room with a big boombox. He's like, "Ah, man, I'm gonna be awesome someday."
Yeah.
I'm gonna grant you all one wish.
I wish that I was Shazam's friend.
Done.
I want to be a famous movie producer.
Shazam was like, "Damn, you're really fucked up. I was already like really indebted to you."
Yeah, I thought we were
sunglasses.
cool, but hey, your
Wow.
wish is your wish.
All I needed was really expensive sunglasses.
I have friendship bracelets for both you and Shazam.
For the rest of Chet Grifter's life, every chair he sits in has his name on the back of it.
And it's like a little hammock.
I wish Nelson Mandela was still alive.
Done.
Well, I wish the world was a better place, or that there was some kind of parallel reality where Nelson Mandela could be alive, and maybe like just the spelling of this incidental children's book
Right.
was different.
Or the hyphenate in a candy
That would
bar.
make things much better.
Yeah, I sure hope they don't fuck up that reality like the way they fucked up this one.
All right, done.
And I wish, Mr. R, I wish Blockbuster would always be remembered.
I think I can do that. Different genie. Bing.
And we all remember it.
Forever.
What do you want, Richie?
Oh, it's stupid.
It doesn't matter. I'm gonna grant any wish. Just one. If you don't want to wish for the stupid one, wish for a not stupid one.
I wish I was the only Richard Gere. And I wish that the other Richard Gere would just die eating his own shit. But that's stupid.
That's not stupid, Richie.
No, it's dumb.
That's
Here,
not stupid.
take my hand.
I wish for like a quantum state of the universe.
Done.
And somewhere far, far away in a rich mansion, sitting in a big pile of money with his what is he, like 35 and he's completely gray? A man in a satin bathrobe shits his pants and slowly reaches down and takes a huge heaping bite.
I knew you were gonna say that. It still made me gay.
And his robot double goes, well, guess it's my turn now to be a movie star.
Which famous people will eat their own poop on the next episode of No Dice? Who knows? You'll have to watch next week to find out, because that's how we do it on No Dice!
That's the game we call No Dice. We hope that you thought it was nice and are sufficiently enticed. Tell all of your friends.
Tell them!
Though we play with style and class, it's you who makes this game kick ass, and so to you we raise our glass. Come play with us again.
Big shout out to ASMR Elf. Thank you so much for joining us in the chat. Super good to see a new face. Let's give it up for ASMR Elf, everybody. Well done. Oh wait, nice and easy class. Thanks, ASMR Elf.
But we still need them.
We do still need them. We do still need you. Well, look, if you're still here in the chat, I appreciate you checking it out. I appreciate you watching us do this adventure. I'm sorry. No, I said I wasn't going to apologize. Look, what I need from you, ladies and gentlemen, is if you are still in the chat, I need two things from you. I need one thing, a location, and I need another thing, an enemy. Because last week we got a thing and an enemy, and that location or thing was an abandoned Blockbuster. And the enemy was a djinn, which is like a genie, which is like Shazam. So, as inspiration for next week, we need a location. So real quick, if you can help me out, think of a location where you might want an adventure to take place. An adventure of any kind, a modern fantasy, science fiction, a weird, crazy one set in the Weird West. Maybe an adventure that takes place entirely Wall Street. Awesome.
Wall Street.
Nice.
Oh, all right.
Excellent. I like Wall Street a lot. Wall Street is a
next to
fantastic
Roof
suggestion.
Avenue.
And who are we fighting on Wall Street, ladies and gentlemen? Who might just be a good, bad person who might be on Wall Street that we need to fight? Take a second and think about it.
Think about it.
The man!
It's about damn time.
There it is, I can see it.
Hell yeah, we're doing it. So next week, check us out right here on twitch.tv/SXYHACKERS. That's twitch.tv/sexyhackers. And one more thing, ladies and gentlemen, if you are still just checking out this channel for the first time, or if you wear clothing, what we'd like you to do is just take a look at our fantastic partner and affiliate, and like really the reason we're doing the show is Sexy Hackers. It's a great website where they have cool nerd-related t-shirts that you can buy. They're always adding new shirts. All the shirts except Patrick's are from Sexy Hackers, and also mine because I bought this. This is my favorite Black Dynamite shirt, and my wash was dirty.
I just wear dirty shirts on Mondays.
So go over there. You can get 20% off if you use the code NODICE at checkout. So seriously, at least go check out some of them shirts, man. It doesn't hurt you to just check it out.
Check it out.
Anyway, one more time, big shout outs to ASMR Elf. Thank you so much for joining us. We are going to fight the band next week, so feel free to check that out. And all that's left is for us to get out of here. So guys, thank you so very much. Give yourselves a nice big round.
Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that?